Apple has always treated the iPad Pro as more than just a tablet. It is the device that blurs the line between a laptop and a portable slate. In 2025, Apple is once again pushing that boundary with its next-generation iPad Pro, a model that carries forward the sleek design of its predecessor, while making meaningful refinements under the hood. The official launch is set for October 2025, and excitement is already building. Pre-orders begin September 18th, giving eager fans the chance to secure their devices before they arrive in stores. Apple knows how to create anticipation, and this release is no exception. Unlike small incremental updates of the past, the new iPad Pro brings together hardware power, smarter software, and thoughtful design improvements that make it more capable than ever. Apple has kept its lineup simple but effective. Buyers will get two choices: an 11-inch iPad Pro priced at $999 and a larger 13-inch model priced at $1,299. These prices clearly show that Apple is targeting the premium segment, but for many customers, the iPad Pro is no ordinary tablet. For creative professionals, it is a digital canvas. For business users, it is a portable workstation. For students, it is a flexible device that handles everything from note-taking to entertainment. Apple positions it as a tool that can replace multiple devices at once. While the price tag is high, the value it offers when combined with its ecosystem is what convinces people to invest. At the center of this release is the M5 chip, Apple's latest silicon design for speed and efficiency. The M5 is a natural evolution of the M series chips that have already transformed iPads and Macs over the last few years. With every generation, Apple has squeezed out more performance per watt, and the M5 continues that tradition. This new chip makes the iPad Pro faster at multitasking, smoother in app handling, and more reliable in heavy workloads like video editing, 3D rendering, and coding. It isn't just about raw power, it's also about efficiency. The M5 chip is designed to consume less energy while delivering higher performance, which translates into better battery life for users. Apple emphasizes that this year is not about a radical overhaul. Instead, the focus is on refinement. The iPad Pro already had an excellent design and powerful hardware. Now, Apple is polishing those strengths to make the experience more consistent and reliable. Despite the internal upgrades, Apple has managed to keep the iPad Pro thin, light, and portable. This is crucial because many users value the ability to carry it anywhere without feeling weighed down. At the same time, Apple has improved its durability, making it better suited for real-world use. This balance between slimness and strength is one of Apple's design hallmarks. The company knows that professionals often carry the device to meetings, classrooms, and studios, while casual users might use it at home or on the go. By keeping it lightweight but tough, Apple ensures the iPad Pro remains versatile in every environment. The 2024 iPad Pro introduced OLED technology, and the 2025 version builds on that success. OLED offers richer colors, deeper blacks, and more efficient power consumption compared to LCD. The new iPad Pro maintains a thin body with a premium feel, showing that Apple is confident in the design it already perfected last year. The display itself is brighter and sharper, making it ideal for all types of content. For professionals, that means better color accuracy for design and editing. For entertainment lovers, it means movies and games look more immersive. Apple didn't try to reinvent the wheel here, it simply made the wheel smoother and more polished. Hardware alone isn't enough to make a device stand out. Apple pairs the new iPad Pro with iPadOS 26, which delivers a fresh design language and smarter tools. This version of iPadOS integrates AI more deeply into everyday use. From smarter app organization to predictive suggestions, the system actively adapts to how you work. For example, if you often switch between a Notes app and a browser for research, iPadOS will anticipate and streamline that workflow. The interface itself has been refined to feel cleaner and more intuitive. Productivity tools are front and center, navigation is smoother, and professional apps make full use of the M5 chip's power. Together, these changes turn the iPad Pro into not just a tablet, but a serious professional device, ready for demanding workloads. One of the most practical upgrades comes in the form of the new dual front-facing cameras. For years, iPad users struggled with awkward camera placement during FaceTime and video calls. The new setup solves that by working perfectly in both portrait and landscape modes. The cameras use 5MP sensors with an f/.8 aperture and up to 4x zoom, ensuring sharper, more natural-looking video, whether you're holding the device vertically or propping it up horizontally. The camera now feels aligned with how you use the iPad. This may seem like a small change, but it has a big impact. For students attending online classes, professionals joining meetings, or families catching up on FaceTime, this improvement makes communication smoother and more natural. Apple has packed the iPad Pro with features that go beyond raw performance. Smart tracking system. This is one of the standout additions. Powered by the M5 chip, it uses AI to follow gestures, movements, and facial expressions. By working with sensors such as the gyroscope, accelerometer, and magnetometer, it makes video calls, presentations, and creative work far more engaging. HDR Log and higher frame rates. Video and photography enthusiasts will appreciate the support for HDR Log, which captures a wider dynamic range. Combined with higher frame rates, this means smoother playback and more accurate colors. Whether you're editing films or just watching a movie, the experience feels richer. Multitasking and Pro app support. Thanks to the M5, the iPad Pro can run multiple heavy apps side by side without compromise. Graphic design software, video editors, and 3D tools all perform smoothly. This makes the device a true alternative to a laptop for many professionals. While the iPad Pro grabs the headlines, Apple isn't neglecting the rest of its tablet family. The iPad mini is expected to receive the A19 chip and possibly an OLED display by 2026 to 2027. This would bring Pro-level display technology to Apple's smallest tablet, making it more appealing to those who want portability without sacrificing quality. At the same time, the 12th generation entry-level iPad is being prepared for early 2026. It will come with the A18 chip and a 16-core neural engine designed for AI workloads. This is particularly important because it shows Apple's plan to bring advanced AI features even to its more affordable devices. Together, these updates prove that Apple's strategy is about strengthening the entire iPad ecosystem, not just focusing on the Pro line. Buyers will have a wide range of choices depending on their budget and needs. The new iPad Pro is positioned as a device that balances performance, design, and usability. It's slim enough to carry anywhere but powerful enough to handle professional-grade tasks. For artists, it's a digital studio. For professionals, it's a mobile office. For casual users, it's an entertainment hub. Apple is aiming to make this device universal. But with the iPad mini and entry-level iPad also scheduled for major updates, customers face a choice: upgrade now or wait for 2026. Those who need the best right away will likely go for the iPad Pro, while others might hold off to see what the broader lineup refresh brings. The 2025 iPad Pro is more than a simple update. It's the result of Apple refining an already powerful device and making it more versatile. With the M5 chip, dual cameras, smarter software, and advanced tracking features, it sets a new standard for what a tablet can do. For professionals, it offers speed and reliability. For casual users, it delivers entertainment and convenience. And for Apple, it represents the future of portable computing, a future where the line between laptop and tablet is blurred even further. The big question is whether to upgrade now or wait for the next wave of updates in 2026. Either way, one thing is clear: the iPad Pro continues to stand at the top of the tablet world, combining performance, design, and innovation in a way only Apple can.